going to try to first start with the wire and wire it up to just the engine itself.
Yeah. So basically, this is check trucks, new wiring harnesses, first kind of start. Maybe.
There it is, neutral.
Probably should scotch this thing, 'cause I know it's
in neutral.
So it's in neutral?
Yeah, I put it in neutral.
Alright. Here we go. Oh, it's talking.
Back to where she was, so we started.
Well, actually, slightly improved.
Alternator started.
Yeah, alternator. Alright guys, hope you enjoy this. Just remember, like, share, and subscribe, guys. You don't know what we're doing next, but we'll figure something out. Peace.